Ayan, ang mga Knights of Rizal ang mangunguna. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Kayo po. Isa lang. Yes. Nice! Thank you. Tita. Dok. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Nice! Ang parada is headed by the Knights of Rizal of Arizona. Isang smile dyan, isang smile. Lahat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, smile. Nice. Dr. Campbell.
Hey,
sorry.
Yes. It's there.
Steady! Led by the marshals, ang ating Vice Chair, Mr. Ricky Liave, ang ating past and former Mrs. Philippines, Arizona, and Mrs. Arizona Luzon. Yay! With Jen Pacto Aquino.
Bakit ako naman naka-t-shirt?
Hi, Tita! Alpha Pi Omega of Arizona. Hi, sis. Sol, thank you. Thank you, Sol. Thank you, sis. Oh, pants. Oh, ako pa rin pala to. Ayan. Hello. Hi. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Thank you. Naka-video naman habang pinukuhanan. Yeah. Hello, Larry. Hi, Kuya. Pan-pass. Oh, isang magandang ngiti dyan. Yeah. Sabi ko dapat isam. Ilonggo sa Arizona, maganda, mabait, matalino. Guwapa. Magwapa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sis, dito ka. 1, 2, 3. Yan, ang Ilonggang maganda. Oh, yeah. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Hi, sis! I got your t-shirt. The pan-pass. Ay, panalo na. Galing, kinuha lahat. Yes. Symbolism. Yes. Galing ng pan-pass. The pan-pass president, Miss Sarah Arabi. Yes. Pinagsama-samang matatalinong nurses. Kinuha lahat ng pan-pass. Wow! Mabuhay! Very resourceful naman! Great job! Pinas! Ano ba? Sagala ba to? Sinong magandang bata ito? Parang kamukha mo eh. Miss Arizona. Great job, Arizona. Tambay. Easy tambay, imagine. Ito yung mga tambay na may napakamahal na mga sasakyan. Milyon. Yes. Sabi ko, ito yung Arizona, tambay ng mga milyon ng sasakyan.
Million ba? Million Zimbabwe.
The president of AZ Motor. Good job. Wow. AZ tambay. Ang naggagandahang AZ tambay. Yan ang Pilipino. Basta may camera na masaya. Wow! Ilawan Cosplay Corps. Great job! Yay! Hi, Giovanni! There! I know you will be here. Thank you for bringing your friends. I saw Jollibee. Yes, Jollibee. Great job! Wow, you made a good representation of your friends. Airman Voltaire.
Thank you.
Welcome back home.
Thank you.
Good job. And belated happy birthday and congratulations, Giovanni. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Ilawan Cosplay Corps. Yes, we love you too.
Pinupul.
Yes! Full-blooded?
Mabuhay.
Yay!
Kaya mo sinigang na. Sinigang.
And nilaga?
Dinuguan.
Dinuguan, I love that. What's your favorite Filipino food? Sinigang, bistek. Oh, you better try today. Yeah, you better bring her to Tambayan. Or halo-halo. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow! The Phoenix Film Lion. Hindi pala.
Rolling tindahan.
Ayos to! Rolling tindahan. Marking of the moon.
Yes! O, diba?
Wow! Penelope! Wow! Tita, dyan ka. Ate Ethel, yan. Yan. Kayo. Yay! Wow, we got Penelope, the future president of Market of the Moon. She's the heiress. Thank you, dear. Oh, Pan.
Ready? 1,
Pinas.
2, 3.
Happy Independence!
Dahil sa Pinas, mas malaki, mas magandang Independence Day. Yes, dahil sa dami ng pinapadala sa Pilipinas. Great job, sis. Sis. I hope you're here around the 2nd.
I-check ko pa yun kasi
I know. Yeah. Good job. I love your best travel nurse in town. Ito. Hey, Sky! Good to see you. You're also AC Tambay? Wow, great job. Na-recruit mo na lahat ng buong Arizona sa AC Tambay, ah. Great job, May. Kaya ikaw ng governor. Hello! Sis!
Can you take our picture?
Yes. Dito. Masyadong maliwanag. G. Ang ganda naman. Kayo. Ate. Ah. No? Yeah, the light. Ang ganda naman ito, G.
Kay Lourdes. Ako model ni Lourdes.
Oh, that's so
My
pretty.
opinion to Lourdes.
Yes, cadence. Ganda. Doc, you wear all the organization. Yay! Belated happy birthday, Ate! Thank you so much for everything that you do. Hi there. Teka. Doc! Yay!
We were waiting for you.
I know, I was in the back. Tito, isa pa. Yes. Okay, now keep going. Ganda. Pwede po dito mas maganda ang lighting. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Hello, madam. Thank you for everything that you do. The CFO. Woohoo.
Alpha Pi Omega Arizona.
Apo. Wow, sis. Thank you.
Send me the video.
Yes. Buhay-buhay sa Amerika. Hi. Thank you. Hi. Visayas group. Great job. Hello, Visayas group. Hi, Visayas. The Filipino Social Club. Great job. All right, the PAFCA. Yes. Great job. Thank you. Wow. The fans. Ang gaganda naman ng Panogs. Make happy anniversary, Panogs! June 21st! Woohoo! Good to see you! Tingnan mo naman ang panpas! Panpas is here! Panpas is here to stay! Yay! And look at... Yes, madam! Thank you, my President Sarah Rabbit of Panpas!
Thank you.
Woohoo! Teka, kuya. Slow. Ganda, galing talaga. hawak ang kalabaw. Yes! Ang magsasaka na naging nurse.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning! Thank you! Yoo-hoo! Isa! Hi sis! Great job! Great job! Beautiful people of Iloilo! The Island Girls! Oh, can't wait to see you dance today! Woohoo! Mabuhay!
B.I.D.C.
Yes! B-I-D-C! Yes! The first Pilam Lions Club of Arizona! The original! Yay! Yes! Hi, Tito! Belated happy birthday po! I love your hairstyle! Only now I see you, Tita! Thomas! Welcome back home! My gosh! You just got your... Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda naman! Madam, I did not expect you're here! Great job! There's Waka! Philippine American Chamber of Commerce of Arizona! Great job, guys! Yay! Where's our president?
Coming po.
Coming? Oh. Hello, Lions Club, Phoenix Rainbow Lions Club. Hello, Madam President, ating ID President. Hi, how are you, Kuya? Good seeing you. Very proud ang ngiti ng tatay. Great job, tatay.
Pare, next time, mag-aagaang naman. Yung gawin mo kaya, yung solid na bakit na yung gulong.
Ang gaganda.
Pinas, kailangan rin ng kasama eh.
Hep hep! Hooray! Ayun si Tambay!
Hindi Pilipino, hindi magulo.
Great job, Voltaire and your friends. Dapat ano, manguna si Jolly Piger. Market on the move. Great job, Penelope. Great job, Kuya Ron.